think Guinness Book of Records क्या Limca and Guinness में भी any sports administrator who doesn't know anything about sport, who never played anything, 50 cases
50 cases
or more, and ministry knows that, and everyone ministry is part of it.
Yeah, must be.
So why are they protecting him from 97 onwards? And what will be the embarrassment for the ministry and sports authority that this crook was allowed to survive for 30 years? And who's going to pay back the 30? Luckily, because he created, there's no SRFI, personal liability. Yeah. So even if he's worth 10,000 crores, he will be personally liable.
Yeah.
Because there is no SRFI.
No SRFI. He is responsible.
He made it. He is SRFI. And that's the reason. अच्छा 2020 before the IOA का जो आया था ना Supreme Court में.
Yeah.
Guess what he wrote again? Life president. And till today, all the SRFI letterheads have patron.
That's
There is no patron and no life president in the sports code.
Oh,
And they're writing to the ministry every day with that.
And
they don't do anything.
And Supreme Court clearly told in his order.
They don't care.
Yeah, they don't care.
They don't care.
They don't
Up Supreme Court, you don't care.
No, they gave an order and they're sleeping on it.
Like I said, for reasons best known to them, they are hand in glove.
Yeah.
In 2008, there were 9 cases. Joshna Chanappa and Deepika, both today, Arjuna and their Padam Shris.
Yeah,
they filed cases, but the ministry went with Ramachandran.
Ramachandran. Must be far too
Just imagine,
yeah.
You've seen it with the case with the wrestlers.
Yeah.
Sportsmen have.
I even see that with Srinivasan handling Indian cricket as well. Nothing happened to him. He's still the owner of Chennai Super Kings.
Yeah. And that is the one I made them a party, and now I will put their thing also in.
Yeah.
Now in my new this thing, I'm going to put India Cement Limited again. That show the money.
Show the money.
Achha, now I'll tell you the biggest fraud. The ministry, the moment the double bench threw away this guy's award, the first thing you should have done is SRFI gave the application.
Yeah.
So everything they wrote of his promotion and all was thrown away. All 13 clauses he lost in the Rashtriya Khel Puraskar. ये आपको net पे सारा मिल जाएगा.
Yes.
Then why didn't they take action against SRFI? Gymnastic Federation 2 lakh के लिए. So many federations have got disaffiliated and other for very, very small things. This guy
and this is
has
mentioned,
he's mentioned as embezzled crores by double billing under Tamil Nadu. Post association, he was taking money for all these tournaments from the Asian and World Federation as this thing and from the government of India. He's admitted it in our thing. Ministry didn't do anything. 2 lakh के लिए जिम्नास्टिक फेडरेशन को 2008 में कर दिया. So many other federations have been suspended or this. Nothing to SRFI. Who's done 20 times more. You know how much he's got by this double billing? 5 to 6 crores.
6 crores.
Yes. Because
double billing, 3 crores.
No. From 2001, not one tournament, Asian or world, जिसमें entry fee होती है, has been held anywhere except the Tamil Nadu Federation Center. Till today. 2002 se. 2001 se.
And what would be the way out? What would be the way
only
out?
the court and the other thing is court of arbitration.
Yeah. CAS. Yeah.
Because there, here also. I mean, once the media and all, see, the moment I file the court, all the media will come. वो सब मेरे को बोल रहे हैं. I know all the guys. I played this thing with Rahul Kabal. I know Rahul Shiv Shankar used to play squash and tennis with me.
Yeah.
All are so scared. They are saying, पहले एक court में लाओ. And court and 3 lawyers have run away. 3 lawyers.
Yeah.
Can you believe it?
They would be paid much more by him, not running away.
I can't believe it here. This is sports, This is not some. I'm not exposing some financial fraud in a political.
You're not essentially exposing Harshad Mehta.
Just can't believe it. And I have facts. I'm here. J501 Soumya.
So when did you come back to India?
I came back in 96. My father passed away in the army. He was a champion in tennis in the services.
Your son also played.
My son is the one who was stopped from national games. That's why I went back to old facts. My son won the 2022 and 23 Delhi national games. This thing at the age of 34, he got a scholarship to USA. अरे ये पूरा जो OCI का stopped because of my son. जो Prakash Amrita, the whole thing is Karm Kumar. His name is on all the bloody sports ministry के वो जो guidelines है कि Karm Kumar was not this thing. Because when he knew I'm exposing him, he said इसको मैं सारा मैं world इसको I'll stop him from playing for India, so maybe they'll go away. He has a British passport, so he'll go away to USA. I mean to UK or something. तो मैं बच जाऊँगा. मैंने कहा I'll send my son. He got a scholarship, but I'm here and I'll take you on. Everyone fights till their children are there.
Yeah.
I said I'm fighting for the game.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting for my son.
Son.
And his, you know what his plan was? You'll never believe it. He would have become, when India's delegate, he was IOA president and World Squash president.
Yeah.
He was the next person, and he was meeting Bach for two things. One is to get squash in the Olympics, and the other was to he was IOA president. So when IOA was they were kicked out, suspended.
Yeah, suspended.
So he was doing both those things. So he was meeting Bach, and he was going to be the next Indian delegate to IOC after Andhir.
Yeah.
I spoiled that dream because the moment we won that judgment in the High Court, his
yeah.
award was taken. Batra kicked him out of IOA.
हाँ.
Milake Kisala, a person like you, how the hell can you? And WSF Nice के उसमें AGM में, they said even 50% of the judgment is true. How can this guy lead us for Olympics?
Anything.
How? And we didn't get 3 terms. He couldn't get squash into Olympics because he was bloody doing other things.
He had no intention to
no.
develop the game
Yeah.
to next level.
Yeah. So that's why Khundak, he stopped my son after 6 years when he came back from this thing to play the national games. And guess what he's saying?
Yeah.
The national games in Karm has a court order from the ministry, from this. Sastani judgment said that he cannot represent India, he can play all domestic. Guess what they're saying now? National games is an international tournament. Can you believe this? PT Usha, she's saying nation means state. I have that bloody reply. I went and met her personally. Kehti, yes, you're right. Guess what she Kerala mein suddenly? She's saying national means state.
So you can't.
So
play.
she needs someone to teach her English.
Yeah.
It's all on record.
Yeah.
And ministry and this thing. Just imagine. Karam's national games, they're 2 of the most important who we sued. Is IOA because national games come under IOA, and the second is ministry because they allowed him to play domestic. Guess what? They didn't turn up in court for 3 years. They've come in 2005 end. 2022 में file करा. Why? Because they knew victimization, they knew that. उन्होंने कहा let the court और ये करना. They didn't appear. They didn't file. अब file करा. 3 साल. अब क्या फायदा? He is now 35. He is in a career. He is not interested.
Yeah.
आपने 2 बार जब Delhi का bronze कराया because वो team event. He didn't want to play the. He just wanted to play the team event. He's been playing for Delhi from under 13 till men before he left for USA on a squash scholarship. This is what the sportsman is today. तो that OCI और guess what अभी क्या निकाला ने पेपर में कि हम वो फुटबॉल के लिए वो लाने चाहते हैं. OCIs and all that. It's come out in the Times of India and all. वो सभी उसने वो
All newspapers.
सभी हाँ. So you tell me. Here the IOA is saying you can't play national games for OCI who bloody lived here, born here, played for this thing, and you're saying we will get footballers. And how can you only get footballers? I would say then the policy should be anyone good enough in any game to make the Indian team.
Come back and play.
How can he do football? Because Kalyan Chaudhary is the vice president and he's football.
And he,
तो हम ये पूछ रहे हैं मिनिस्ट्री से कि इसका जवाब दो. You are banning him and you're saying OCIs can come. Here you're not letting a OCI who's allowed to play all domestic play national games. And he's playing not for the country, he's playing for Delhi. Who he's played from bloody under 11.
He has a back history of playing for the team.
Yeah. So this is a clear case of victim. That's why they didn't come. Because they would have to answer in 2022 for these things that you allowed them to play domestic. It's written in your thing. Up now they are saying the national. Acha, दूसरा excuse. Multidisciplinary. So now they said it's a multidisciplinary. What's the difference here?
No.
It's playing for Delhi, na? So what if other athletes, other games are happening? Multidisciplinary, you can use in international, Asian Games, Commonwealth and Olympics. What is that is anyway you're saying, or wo bhi jhoot. They wrote he's not allowed. We showed all the things are there that they are allowed by Olympics, they are allowed by the World Federation and Asian Federation allows them.
Already.
No. So I said you are not letting him play. It's not their rules. But they wrote the opposite. They bloody lied that Shankar Lal, जो उनका वो बिका हुआ चमचा. I gave him his phone number. He's bloody living in this thing. I have his phone number. He's not answering. I told the ministry, call him. And I said, I will come and give you all the things of this. They didn't call me once. I said, I'm here. I'm bloody 15 minutes away from you. I've come to Shastri Bhavan so many times. I'll come and give you all the documents. No. So this is the...
Thank you.
Yeah. Rahul Kumar, if you want, you can take my number.
Yeah, please take.